Hey YouTube, I just bought this house a couple months ago. During the start of COVID, actually, we moved, which was crazy. We bought around Christmas of 2019. But the garage has a bunch of stains, and I'm just kind of showing you where they are and kind of what they look like to kind of give you a sense of where we're at in the garage. And I have poured a 1-to-1 mixture, 1 part TSP, 1 part water. I'm going to use a pressure washer, which is just a Sun Joe, nothing professional. But I'm using this liquid TSP, which I've seen and heard good things about, but I thought I would do my own review for you guys. I'm a newbie guy, but I've seen a lot of channels of people trying to use different products, some good videos, some bad videos. But I have sprayed this stuff on here and then started the video literally right afterwards. This is pretty dark here. And this is not from my vehicles, just FYI. This was all prior vehicle stuff. That's pretty much it. So gonna let this sit in for about 5-10 minutes. Wire brush if I had one, which I don't, but we'll see how this works initially. It's kind of a first test of a product, but if it works well enough, then I'm gonna come back and use a wire brush, same idea, to get a little bit deeper. But there's some of this stuff is pretty caked on, as you can tell. So gonna use the pressure washer. And then one of the more important parts of that comment is I have a new attachment, which will be my first time to try it out. This is, this blade spins around, so this will shoot water out of the 2 jets at the end, and then this thing spins, you know, as you would imagine this could spin, kind of like a lawnmower idea. But that way the water is moving around, it's keeping trapped under here, so you're not spraying debris all over your house and garage, cars, whatever. So it just kind of hovers over the concrete, and the pressure coming out of there keeps it kind of off the ground. But the idea is that you're swirling it around and moving forward, back, keep it constantly moving, so that you don't etch the concrete in one spot just from it sitting there and just going around in circles in itself. But being as I'm doing this one-handed, I'm not going to actually record, which is probably the more boring part. So I'm just going to go up and down, overlapping slightly. And then again, I'm going to do this now, and I will come back and show you guys the results. And we'll kind of give it a yay or nay on TSP and a pressure washer. Specifically, this is a Sun Joe. I think it's a 2300 PSI, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the actual description in the below, just in case I'm wrong on that. But yeah, man, so stay tuned. Here we go.